Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat, and ngayon po we're going to solve another problem. Okay, so a block of weight is equal to 500 Newton is supported by a cable CD, which in turn is suspended by cables AC and BC. We're going to determine the required tension forces of tension CA and tension CB so that the resultant force at point C is equal to 0. So we have the free body diagram. Tension CD is equal to the weight of 500 Newton. Tension CB having an angle of 30 degrees, and tension CA na may from horizontal distance na may 6 meters na distance from point C to A, and for horizontal vertical component naman we have 8 meters, no, from point C to A. Okay, so having a triangle of 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so step 1, because all cables are concurrent at point C, okay, we're going to isolate point C and show all forces. Okay, so step 2, this is the step 2, we're going to resolve each force into its Y and X components, or X and Y components. Okay, so first force, no, we have tension CA along X. We have 3 over 5, okay, times tension CA. Okay, sa vertical naman na axis or component, we have tension CA along Y is equal to 4 over 5 times tension CA. Okay. Si tension CB naman along X, this is equal to tension CB times cosine of 30 degrees. Okay? So bakit cosine? Because the angle is adjacent to the to the X axis, no? So that is equal to 0.866 tension CB. Okay? Next is R, or resultant CBY. Okay? That is equal to tension CB, okay, times, actually pareho lang yan, tension CB times sine of 30. Why sine of 30? Because the angle is opposite to the axis. Okay, that is equal to 0.5 of tension CB. Okay, which is tension CD is equal to W, ito, time is equal to 500 Newton. Okay, so third step, okay, we're going to write the resultant component force equations. Okay, so we have Rx is equal to summation of forces along X is equal to tension CA along X and plus tension CB along X, that is equal to 0. Okay, so we set Rx is equal to 0 to comply with the condition that no resultant force develops at point C. That is, all forces are balanced at this point. Okay. From writing the resultant equations, TCA and TCB, we obtain equations 1 and 2, containing 2 unknowns, solving the 2 equations simultaneously. Okay? So, sinasabi na equal daw, no? So we have 3 over 5 tension CA is equal to 0.866 tension CB. Okay? So this is for the x-axis. Okay. Next is the y-axis. We have 4 over 5. Okay. Tension CA plus 0.5 tension CB is equal to 500 Newton. Okay. Kung kasi itong 0.866 is from cosine 30. Ito namang 0.5 is from sine of 30. Okay, so we have now our equation 1 and 2. Okay. So from equation 1, TCA is equal to 5 over 3. So bakit baka nagtataka kayo bakit naging 5 over 3? Okay? Kasi we're going to eliminate 5 over 3. So that is over 3 over 5. So makancel siya. Okay? So dito over 3 over 5. So reciprocal lang, no? Reciprocal lang siya. So magiging 5 over 3. So 0.866 of TCB. And that is equal to 1.44 tension CB. Okay? So we're going to substitute equation 2. So paano? Okay. Okay, so equation 2 we have this one, no? 4 over 5 TCA plus 0.5 of TCB. Since we have now TCA na that is equal to 1.44 tension CB, so 4 over 5, okay, si TCA, so magiging ano na, no? 1.44 tension CB, okay, plus 0.5 of 0.5 times tension CB. Ayan. That is equal to 500. Okay? Kasi si 500 going down siya. Okay? So vertical siya. Kasali siya sa vertical component ang 500 Newton. Kasi dito sa horizontal component, hindi kasali ang 500 kasi wala siyang horizontal axis or component. Okay? So therefore, 1.15, okay, kung i-times mo to, no? We have 1.15 tension CB plus 0.5 of tension CB, that is equal to 500 newtons. Kung mapapansin ninyo, tension CB plus tension CB. So pwede na natin siyang manipulate. Okay, pwede natin siyang i-add kasi pareho ang okay, pareho. Okay. So solving TCB, so bakit naging 1.65? So 1.15 TCB plus 0.5 TCB. So 1.65 tension CB, that is equal to 500 Newton. Okay? So tension CB, that is equal to 500 Newton divided by 1.65 para makancel si 1.65 dito. So magiging 303 Newton. Yun. So we have now our tension CB. So substituting the value of TCB back into equation 1 or 2, no? So since na meron na tayong tension CB, si CA na lang ang wala. And our tension CA is equal to 436.4 Newton. Okay, so paano siya nangyari? Okay? So balik lang tayo sa equation 1. Okay? Equation 1, TCA is equal to 1.44 times tension CB. So 1.14 tension CA is equal to 1.44, pero si tension CB is 303. Substitute lang. So meron tayong 303 Newton na tension CB, and that is equal to 436.4 Newton. Okay? So yan. Okay. So all in all, we have TCA is equal to 436.4 Newton, and tension CB is equal to 303 Newton. Okay, so that's all. Thank you, and God bless.